Hello students, this is the next lecture of Management Information System. Today we will be discussing about the second case. In the previous lecture we discussed about the cookhouse restaurant and we talked about how the information system of cookhouse help the organization in improving and satisfying the customers. Today we will be seeing the MDH. You must be very known to this organization. It is popular in spices category. MDH tightens operations with easy ERP. Now this is the title of the case, and this entire case is about this MDH spices, how the operations came into proper alignment with the easy ERP solutions, what were the problems, then how that ERP got implemented and what is the solutions. So I will read out and I will explain in between also what this case is all about. So Mahasenian D. Hatti Limited is also known as MDH Group. It is an Indian manufacturer, distributor, and exporter of ground spices and spice mixture under the brand name of MDH. As you know, there are different categories of spices like Catch, Everest, MDH, and MDH is very much popular. It is manufacturer, distributor, as well as the exporter of spices. It specializes in several unique traditional blends of spices suitable for different recipes. Client's corporate office is situated in Kirti Nagar, Delhi. The company was founded in 1919. It has since grown in popularity all over India and exports its product to several countries. This company is very popular as it has ground roots in spices, and they are the exporters of spices to various countries also. Now in this paragraph, it is describing about the production process. The company has a high-tech production plant that is located in the heart of Haryana and Rajasthan. It does the manufacturing process by its own machines, and maximum manufacturing processes are in-house. The job is done as and when required on the minimum basis. So what is the main thing is they are doing in-house production, means they are not outsourcing anyone. They have their own manufacturing units, and they are doing the manufacturing on the demand basis, and they are not keeping much stock. They are doing it on the basis of requirement, and that too on the minimum basis. They have implemented easy ERP to capture and manage daily business transactions. After implementation of ERP at MDH, their manufacturing wastage is decreased to 1.5%. Easy ERP has helped in minimizing their material holding cost. Easy ERP has complete functionality from consumer inquiry to dispatches, which gives growth and improves operational efficiency as well as maintains accurate information to make better decisions. EBS, which implement the ERP solution at MDH, provided contractual, highly skilled manpower, which gave them confidence. Now it is talking about the production process and how the implementation of ERP decreases their waste by 1.5%. This ERP is used to capture the daily transactions. जो भी daily transactions हो रही हैं उसके बारे में they have captured all the details. और जो on the basis of this, their operational efficiency got increased, and they come to know that when there is a shortage of particular product or particular spice, like suppose coriander spice is going out of stock, so on the basis of that they are able to do the production, because all the data will be there with the easy ERP solution. Now, what were the challenges before easy ERP implementation? As per the management of MDH, they were not able to get the clear position of available stock, no clarity about the production planning and availability of raw material, inability to identify best suitable vendor, separate entries were made in inventory, order entry, invoicing packages, leading to duplication of efforts, and no direct data security, leading to data tampering. Prior implementing Easy ERP, the company relied on local software solutions with separate packages for accounting and inventory to maintain stocks and generate invoices. Since the inventory and accounting packages were not linked to each other, the entries had been separately into each of them, causing duplication of labor and leaving rooms for human error. There were also serious data security issues with the existing software, as any user could delete the entries once the invoice was generated. So now, before implementing this Easy ERP solution, what were the problems? First one is the stock availability was not clear. We are not able to know which particular category is going out of stock. No proper planning, production planning, no idea about the raw material, and they are not able to identify who's the best suitable vendor. And there were number of duplications. The same data has been entered into different tables. Like first it is getting into the inventory, raw material part, then it is they are going to the order history, then they are going to inventory. So the same thing is in different tables, and they are been duplicated. एक ही चीज जो है वो तीन चार बार उसको किया जा रहा था, because the local software has कि उनकी कोई facility नहीं थी. जो order entry हो रही है वही order entry हो रही है, फिर उसकी invoicing में भी वही चीज सेम चीज रिपीट की जा रही है. तो दिस लीड्स टू डुप्लीकेशन. तो एक जगह एंट्री करने पर ऑटोमेटिकली सब जगह उसका ऑटोमेटिकली अपडेट हो जाना चाहिए था, बट because the software was not reliable, so there were lots of issues of data security issues was also there, duplication issues were there, and there were rooms for there could be a human errors as well. Now, solution. What was the solution? After understanding the status of IT infrastructure and requirement, Easy ERP team offered a comprehensive yet user-friendly solution to MDH. नाउ एक टीम इन्होंने बिठाई कि जब हमारे पास ये प्रॉब्लम है, तो एक जो सिस्टम एनालिस्ट ने एक टीम बिठाई, एंड देन इजी ईआरपी की जो टीम थी उन्होंने ये सजेस्ट किया कि उनको एक सोल्यूशन प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा इजी ईआरपी. जो इजी ईआरपी की टीम थी उन्होंने एक सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलप करके दिया, दैट इज कॉल्ड इजी ईआरपी, व्हिच वाज वेरी यूजर फ्रेंडली. It was highly scalable, means you can apply to a larger amount also. Modular application, it provides higher data security, real time inventory control. जैसे जैसे आपकी इन्वेंट्री आती जाएगी वो ऑटोमेटिकली अपडेट होता जाएगा. इट सपोर्ट्स मल्टीपल करेंसीज, different like Indian dollars, Indian rupee, dollars, euro, pound, etc. And features of strong reporting tools. Modules are closely linked to each other. जो प्रोडक्शन वाला है वो ऑर्डरिंग सिस्टम से भी लिंक्ड है, तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली एक ही जगह अपडेट करने से वो हर जगह अपडेट हो जाता है. तो देयर इज नो रूम फॉर डुप्लीकेशन. सो व्हाट वाज द रिजल्ट? जब ये प्रॉब्लम्स थी, ये सोल्यूशन था. इजी ईआरपी वाज द सोल्यूशन. देन द रिजल्ट्स वर रियल टाइम इन्वेंटरी कंट्रोल इंश्योर्स प्रोडक्शन इज डन एक्यूरेटली. उन्होंने रियल टाइम इन्वेंटरी कंट्रोल से क्या हुआ कि प्रोडक्शन जो है वो एक्यूरेट अमाउंट में और करेक्ट क्वांटिटी में हुआ, एंड एट द राइट टाइम, करेक्ट टाइम पर और करेक्ट वेंडर के लिए. राइट टाइम, राइट प्लेस एंड टू द राइट vendor. Tight integration between various modules eliminate duplication of efforts, and high level of data security prevents data tampering. तो एक तो जो different modules say like inventory, then ordering, then delivering, तो ये सब दो जितने भी modules हैं, there were integration between them, and so because of this the duplication was not there, and data security got improved. Customer relationship was stronger just because the sales module and the timely delivery, because everything was update and you can get information in very nick of time. So, and because of this you get all the information, and then timely you can deliver products in a timely manner. Reports are generated automatically in the required format. So this is all about the MDH. What were the problems, what was the solution, and what was the result of the solution. So you have to write a brief summary about this particular case study in short, in 10 lines. You have to figure out all those important things, what were the problems, what was the solution, and what was the result. All these things you have to include, and you have to write it in your language. You need not to copy exactly from the case. Thank you.